a story to unfold. We're young and then we grow.
And through the trials we face, the races that we're running, we always keep the faith in who we are becoming.
Every day's a different page, a story to unfold.